Before your content is turned into a post, it needs a place to call home. Plann has a variety of options for importing and organizing your content. Let's go through them together. If you want to import content directly into a post, always select which platform or platforms you want to create for, and then select the plus button. From here, you'll see Upload. You can either select files from your desktop or drag and drop them into here. If you don't yet have content ready, but need a placeholder so you can be reminded of what kind of media needs to go here, then select a strategy tile. You can select one that we've already created for you or add a custom one. For example, I'll create a reminder to post about our new collection and then select Add. Media collections is a feature where you can organize all of your media in one place. Here you can create folders with all your media so it's ready to go. We'll dive more into this in another video. You also have options such as importing from Dropbox, Google Photos, Google Drive, Canva, or other apps. If you don't have any media, don't worry. You can browse through thousands of free media options when you select free content and import so you can post in a snap. Just go ahead and type in what you're looking for here, select either photos or videos, and choose from our free content partners, Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash. Once you find something that works for you, go ahead and select Add.